The motorized floating bridge, known as the PFM or Pont-Flotten Motorized, is one of the most critical yet often overlooked assets in modern military logistics. Developed by French company CNIM Systems Industriels and introduced into service in 1985, the PFM was designed to replace older American-made bridging systems and provide the French Army with a faster, stronger, and more autonomous wet gap crossing solution, built to operate in both bridge and ferry configurations. The PFM enables rapid maneuver of heavy forces across rivers, lakes, and flooded terrain. Originally introduced to support second-echelon logistics operations, the PFM was designed for use in secured tactical environments due to its vulnerability during deployment. However, its ability to carry all-wheeled and tracked vehicles in service, including civilian traffic, quickly made it a vital logistics bridge. Over time, its speed of deployment and minimal manpower requirements also allowed limited tactical use in divisional combat zones when no alternatives were available. One of the PFM's greatest strengths is its exceptional deployment speed. A 100-meter-long bridge can be assembled in as little as 13 minutes without any special site preparation or auxiliary boats. Thanks to its motorized modules and remote-controlled semi-trailers, each section can be launched, positioned, and recovered autonomously. This allows combat engineers to establish a reliable crossing even under time pressure in difficult terrain conditions. The standard PFM is rated at MLC 70, allowing the safe crossing of all-wheeled logistics vehicles and tracked combat vehicles without special precautions. It can operate in water currents of up to 2.5 meters per second and adapt naturally to riverbanks, up to 1.8 meters high, with a throughput of up to 250 vehicles per hour. The PFM ensures continuous mobility for armored and support formations. Each PFM module is a 10-meter-long floating bridge section with a 4-meter-wide track. The structure consists of a central caisson, to side caissons, and ballast tanks for stability. Every module is powered by 75 horsepower outboard engines with full 360-degree maneuverability, allowing precise positioning on water. A standard crew includes a module commander, a heavy vehicle driver, and two thrust operators, ensuring efficient and controlled deployment. The ramp is a crucial component of the PFM system, ensuring seamless transition between land and floating modules with a 4-meter-wide track. guardrails, and track widening devices. The ramp can adapt to varying bank heights using a hydraulic system. It can also be used independently to cross wet or dry gaps up to 8 meters wide, adding further flexibility during engineering operations. To meet modern battlefield requirements, CNIM developed the PFM F3 and PFM 3L variants. These next-generation systems can support vehicles up to 120 tons, including main battle tanks and tank transporters, featuring more powerful 115 horsepower engines, automated assembly, and compatibility with 8.8 carriers. The PFM F3 can be deployed in as little as 15 to 30 minutes with significantly reduced personnel and logistical footprint. The PFM is currently in service with several armed forces, including France, Italy, Switzerland, Poland, Malaysia, and Ukraine. Its NATO standard compliance, airborne transport capability, and interoperability with other floating bridges make it a strategic asset for both military operations and disaster relief missions, from armored maneuver warfare to flood response. The PFM has proven its versatility across multiple theaters. In modern warfare, mobility is power, and the CNIM PFM Motorized floating bridge delivers exactly that, with unmatched deployment speed, heavy load capacity, and operational autonomy. The PFM ensures that rivers and flooded terrain never become obstacles to mission success, as armies prepare for future high-intensity conflicts. The PFM remains one of the most reliable and flexible wet gap crossing solutions on the battlefield today.